Hello, my name is Penny Smith. I'm a North Carolina real estate broker. Today I would like to talk to you about how to make a flyer to sell a house. A flyer is a very important piece of advertised information that needs to sit in a box, free, willing, and able for anybody to pick up and take with them. You're looking for one buyer. That's all you need is one. However, you might go through 200 flyers before that one buyer comes along and buys that house. So the flyer is very important. And the way that you capture that buyer is also very important. You have to get them inside the house. So the flyer needs to be interesting enough that they want to know more. So you don't want to put all the information on that flyer. They want to know if the house is big enough for them to start with, and they also want to know how many bedrooms, bathrooms, if it's been updated. That's important information to give them to entice them to come in. But you don't want to give them the price. You want to make them call you or email you. Put a website with additional pictures of that house that's not on the flyer for them to go view. On that flyer, make sure it's in color. Black and white flyers are thrown away. They're just glanced at and tossed. A color flyer means you take pride and means that you are proud of your home. Put a color flyer out. It is important. Utilize both sides of that flyer with pictures. Give information, but be sure to give contact information to you on there so that they can reach you, to include a phone number and to see that property. Be careful letting them in to see that property without a real estate agent. A lot of things have happened to people and people's homes that are just malicious vandalism or stealing things. That's why I recommend a real estate agent. They take in only buyers that are ready, willing, and able to buy a home. It means they've already been to a mortgage broker, and they're not just out stalking houses. So that's my recommendation on how to build a flyer to sell your home. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day.